explain the whole process and where the hoses go on this system?
Absolutely love to. The two hoses you're mainly going to be concerned with are your operational hoses, and they connect to your product tank. Those are inside the cooler. There's a gas hose with a quick disconnect on it, and that goes to the in port on top of the tank. All the tanks are marked.
So that hose there then goes back to your nitrogen generator?
Exactly. This is the gas supply portion of the system. The other hose you'd be needing to worry about is a black hose, and this is the liquid out. So this goes into the product tank, the port marked in, and on the out port on the product tank, this would connect. This is going out to the nitro faucet and also the still product faucet.
Great. Okay, so one line goes to feed both of them.
It does. It's kind of one of our tricks. Instead of ordering two different kinds of tanks, one nitro tank of cold brew coffee or one still tank of cold brew coffee, we're serving one tank for both still and nitro. This is the nitro faucet, and that is the still faucet.
Oh, that's great. So out of this whole system, I bet you your waste is a lot less because you don't have that much line.
Exactly, Dave.
Or extra tanks.
Exactly, Larry. There is a connection on the back side of the cooler that joins the nitrogen separator to the nitro serve cooler.
Oh, great.
I'd love to show you that.
Yeah, let's check it out. Now that we're looking at the back of the machine, can you explain where all these cords go and what they do?
Sure. Let's pretend we just got the unit. So I'm going to get you what you'd be looking at when you first unbox it.
Oh, yeah, sure.
So you would roll the nitro serve cooler into place wherever you're going to serve at. You need to be within 4 feet of that with your nitrogen separator. We do give you a 9-foot cord for the separator, and I believe it's a 9-foot cord for the cooler too. So you do get a little bit of reach in that.
For sure.
It's 110-volt power, so make sure it's a grounded 110-volt outlet. The cooler itself draws 1 amp, and the nitrogen separator draws 5 amps.
Wow.
They can share a circuit, and just make sure it's grounded 110-volt. Should be fine.
Well, great.
Here's the power cord for the nitrogen separator. It only fits in one way. You'll see the edges of it are kind of a shape to it. Only goes in one way. Once you have the other end plugged in, you can hit the power switch. It'll turn green, letting you know you have power to that cord. And then we can plug in the cooler itself to power. It doesn't have a light, but you can hear it humming when it first fires up.
Okay.
The last connection would be is joining the gas supply from the nitrogen separator into the cold brew cooler. And that's done with this jumper that comes with the system. They're an NSF rated quick disconnect, all stainless steel and very sanitary, safe and easy to use. We're going to push that onto the back. We'll take the other side, and this will push on to the regulator that's controlling the pressure going into the product tanks.
Oh, great.
It comes preset for you at 38 psi, and the cooler is preset in temperature at 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Beyond that, you're ready to put in product and serve coffee.